In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove myshopify.com from URL Shopify tutorial. If you're seeing a .myshopify.com address in your store's URL, the fix is to use a custom domain so customers see your brand instead. I'll walk you through the exact flow inside the Shopify admin, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so everything connects smoothly. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the dashboard, look to the lower left and open Settings. Inside Settings, find and select Domains. This is the hub where you manage everything related to your store's web address. On the Domains page, click your current myshopify.com domain to view details. You may notice a Learn More About Domains link here. It's a helpful guide from Shopify. If you open it, just come back to the Domains screen when you're ready to continue, and if you need to, select your myshopify.com domain again to return to the Settings panel. If something is highlighted, click the highlighted domain details to expand them. Now, if you need a brand new domain, choose Buy New Domain. Use the search to find an available name that matches your brand. When you see an option you like, select it to review the yearly price. Shopify will show the cost per year before checkout. Click Buy, then confirm the purchase. After checkout, you'll be guided back to domains with your new domain added to your store. If you already own a domain elsewhere, choose Connect Existing. Type your domain name exactly as registered, then click Next. Shopify will attempt to connect it for you. If your domain provider supports it, select Connect Automatically to let Shopify update the settings behind the scenes. If automatic connection isn't available, choose Manual Setup. Manual Setup will display the DNS records you need to add at your domain provider, typically an A record pointing to Shopify and a CNAME for www. If you see Manual Setup more than once in the flow, simply select it again to view the instructions and follow them at your registrar. Once the domain is purchased or connected, Shopify will associate it with your store. Your myshopify.com address remains as a backend login URL, but customers will use your custom domain going forward. Give DNS changes a little time to propagate if you connected an external domain. This can take up to a few hours, and in some cases longer depending on your provider. That's it. By managing everything in Settings, then Domains, buying or connecting your custom domain, and following Shopify's prompts for automatic or manual connection, you replace the myshopify.com URL with a clean, branded address your customers will trust.